description.
Look at that, it's a bird. Oh God, birds aren't real. They're actually drones. We're actually drones. Our radio train system, but chance we don't sexually now. In trouble as we breathe.
Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got something new-ish. This is Samyang Foods and their Buldak Rosé glass noodle. And I've heard about this and it sounds interesting. And so I'm going to prepare it for you today and give it a try. Am I going to do a mukbang? I don't think this is going to be all that hot. Some people might say, oh, I don't know, it's going to be a... I'm like, I don't know. Okay. Where's that fill line? Yeah, I had a feeling it was low. Okay, so how do we make this stuff? Open lid and put noodles and sauce in the cup. And then pour hot water up to the line. Stir it up. Close the lid halfway and microwave for 2 minutes. Okay. My back is killing me, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know what to tell you. But this is an odd thing. It says, here's simply glass noodle, huh? I mean, this feels like something else, but I could be totally wrong. Here we go. Isn't this like, yeah, it's hard as a rock, isn't it? Yeah. And it kind of has that alcohol scent to it, kind of like tteokbokki does. Yeah. Does it have a... Yeah. There's the glass noodle. Definitely has that scent. What surprises me is there's no, what do you call it? The little desiccant pouch. Yeah, I did one with a noodle kind of like this. As you can see, it's kind of broad and bumpety. Kind of a broad. What was it? It was a. Trying to remember. It was a cold noodle. That's right. And it was in a big bowl. One of the first super jumbo Korean varieties that I tried. I have 2 more of them over there. Not of the big bowl ones, but I've got 2 varieties of Ramen XL that I found at H Mart. Oddly enough, you'd think I would have found this one at H Mart. No, I found it at... Ow! I'm really sore. I found it at a 99 Ranch Market, of all places. Okay, so this is where it gets scary, because it says to add water up to the line. Here's the line, I can see it. And it says hot water up to line, and then to microwave it at 1,000 watts for 2.5 minutes. And that, honestly, it scares me. What do you mean, Ramen Raider guy? I thought nothing scared you. Well, I'm putting this plate down. We kind of swore off using, what do you call them? Paper plates. Do I leave the lid off? Close lid halfway. Which means... There. Just loosely leave it on top. Don't push it down. Okay, 2.5 minutes, huh? All right. And there we go. So I guess we'll see. I'm a little afeared. The rose stuff is really good. The rose flavor. I really like that. And honestly, maybe this won't be so bad. Oh man. It's just my leg. My leg is super jacked up, folks. I don't like it. There. So my daughter is going to be playing softball. Yes, folks. Little Mimi is really into playing softball. She hasn't played it yet. We'll see how it goes once she actually plays. But my wife, Kit, she was a catcher. She played softball for years. And her dad was a coach. And so now everybody's like, oh, she's going to play. Oh, no. I think it'll be cool. I hope she likes it. If she doesn't, I'm going to be like, she doesn't like it. I think she'll like it. She's a team kid. She's competitive. I think she'll do fine. It's weird to see, though. But, yeah. It's a trip. It's weird watching your kids grow up. God, that guy, that Ramen Raider guy, he's so freaking old. Jeez. Yep. Only a couple months. And then I get to turn 50. Yep. That means, technically, I'll have, by then, I could say, for every year of my life, I've tried over 100 varieties of instant noodles. That's crazy. I'll take that. Yeah. But that'll be neat. But the stuff's coming in already. Baseball gloves and bat bag and oil for the... Whoa. This is crazy because it's making noise. Look at that. It's boiling. It's literally boiling. Can you see that? This isn't the right music for... No. All right. Boiling noodle. Our drawer for stuff is getting a little too... it came out. But yeah, our drawer for holding accoutrements that involve spoons, forks, knives. Okay, so it says saucy broad noodle. Okay. I think it's funny that they call this a glass noodle because honestly, I remember glass noodles were clear. These are not clear. Or maybe they would be, but I don't know. Interesting. And so you have the Buldak sauce, standard stuff, and then you have the rosé. So it's Buldak and then a bunch of cream powder. Yep. About what I expected. The rosé is really quite good. The rosé and the lovely Buldak. I remember, like, those are my two favorite. But I've got a bunch more coming my way thanks to a buddy of mine, so that should be here on Wednesday. So there may be quite a few Buldak sampling sessions coming soon. But as far as a mukbang, nah, not for this one. But why, Ramen Raider? What are you, chicken? No, and neither is this. They call it artificial spicy chicken flavored, and it does have artificial chicken flavoring in it, but it is not chicken flavored. It is the flavoring of the sauce that goes on spicy chicken in South Korea. That's what that flavor is. People are like, no, it's got chicken flavoring in the ingredients. It's chicken flavored. It's like, well, the Nissan Cup Noodles pumpkin spice had garlic in it. Is it garlic flavored? No, but there's some asset to that, the chicken flavor, which works to give it that spicy sauce flavor. So it's gonna be okay. I know it's weird. I've had plenty of beef flavored instant noodles that the only flavorings that I've really seen are like fish, and they taste like beef. Looks good. Cheers. Okay. Is it ruining my face? No. That happened a long time ago. Is it hot? Sure. How hot is it? I don't know. Is that hot as Quattro? It's not bad. I kind of like it. But yeah, rosé and lovely hot. Those are my two yummy Buldak flavors. Kind of looks like a bunch of noodles slapped in Thousand Island dressing. Which it is not. Boy, look at that color, though. I don't know if that shows up right for you, but that looks like nuclear fallout nightmare. I'm not even throwing that straight in the trash. I am rinsing out this. Holy moly. Wow. Wow, that is neon stuff right there, folks. Holy knit. Yeah, look at that. Whoa. It's like vibrating orange. It's like orange fluorescent marker orange. It's really... I can't imagine what it looks like to most normal people because I'm colorblind and I kind of tend to see, when I see colors, they seem to be much more muted. So this is like popping into my brain. So not going to do a lot to this. Maybe a shake or two of crushed red pepper. If it even came out, it's okay. It's all right. And a little bit of sesame seed. So I will say this: if you like Buldak, I think you'd like this. I just don't know if you're gonna like the noodle. The noodle reminds me of like a Chinese belt noodle kind of thing. And generally noodles like this are made out of, well, let's see. What does it say this noodle is made from? Is it mung bean? Potato starch, cornstarch, rice flour, creamer. That's in the noodle. Corn syrup, palm oil, whey powder, dipotassium phosphate, soy less. Yeah. Interesting. Well, now it'll rotate for a minute. All right, well, thank you very much for watching. The next one you're gonna see won't be the one I'm gonna do next. You're wondering why. It's one, there are gonna be a few of these coming out that are gonna get pushed out early. I'm sorry, you're gonna see an older episode for the next episode. But if you want to see what I'm actually going to be doing next, it's going to be this. This is the new packaged and sized Prima Taste Laksa Ramen. This has been #1 on my top 10 list for a while. This is the whole grain version. You might also notice that it's a different package design. So these I think were 180 grams. Now they're 144. They use less water when you cook them. There are some fundamental changes in this. So, but it's gonna get pushed out soon because, yeah, I need to get it out there as soon as possible. So, yeah. This has been Hans the Ramenator, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.